is not your basic instant coffee. This is IQJOE Mushroom Coffee Caffe Mocha. Mixes so fast, smells like real mocha, and gives that smooth morning lift without any harsh edges. There's magnesium in here, lion's mane, built in for focus. The smooth mocha flavor, no added sugar at all whatsoever, and it is jitter-free coffee. No jittery spikes, no crash feeling. This combines Brazilian coffee with functional ingredients, and it comes in this single packet here. Sugar-free, keto, gluten-free, and vegan-friendly, designed for steady clarity and mood support. So travel-friendly, just a single serving packet, dissolves very easily in hot water. This review is sponsored by the brand.